music director, and what makes you to stand out of their composition?
One of my main inspirations is my mom. Because she's a literature in Kannada is amazing, and I've always had a thought in the back of the mind that I've not done justice to that language by not even learning it. For me, this is like a gift that you've given. So I always wanted to do films in all languages, and it will be an opportunity for me to understand the culture. I'll try and amalgamate as much as possible. When we did Dasra, I knew little or nothing about the folk music of Telangana, but we could really get into the roots of it. I spent a few months, and my research starts with Chaitanya, with the roots of the land, and one of for me, my favorite composer in Kannada, I have two. One is Raghu Dixit. He was my ex-boss, and still he's always the boss. So, and then Ajanish Loknath, and I spoke to him recently. I loved his work in Maharaja, and a lot. I love Ravi Basroor, and I don't make an effort to sound different to anybody. I just react to what I do, and if it's loud, I continue doing it. That's it. So there's no effort to shift anything from anybody. Yeah.
So, in addition, will you be singing in this film as it is your debut?
I don't know all of you. I usually sing all the songs when I compose. Sometimes they retain it. That's how I became a singer. Nobody asked me to sing. So sometimes the movie is shot for 1 or 2 years. Sometimes they just get so used to it that even when a good singer comes and sings it, they'll be like, oh, it's not working. They probably don't understand that it's actually getting better. But for them, they don't want to change it. So then it became a thing, and now, yeah, I don't know how I became a singer.
Mr. Santosh, after Kalki said that you are very expensive. One thing. Second thing, how many tunes you are giving in this cinema?
Yeah, for me, money should never come in the way of art. So, for example, Varai, the film that released today, I think I spent on the music. So, I really don't look at numbers. If the script excites me, and even when I worked on Kalki, I had a long script narration, and then, of course, I was very, very grateful for the opportunity, but I should be able to deliver. So, every film that I work on, irrespective of the size, involves script narration, and there's little or no discussion about the budget. If it excites me, I just work on the film. So I don't want to brand myself as a composer who's charging so much. Of course, when the film is big, they are generous enough to give me more than what I even expect sometimes. So I would like to keep it that way. And the second question was, sorry, tunes. Yeah, Mr. Chaitanya has to decide that. I'm ready to. We surrender. How I work is I surrender myself to the film, and it's more or less, I become the voice of the script and the director. So whatever it takes, yeah. I think there'll be quite a few tunes.
ನಮ್ಮ ನೇಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ?
Yes, can I answer in English? Yeah. So there are a few songs in this film which will go very rooted, and I want to keep, because he has already established that it's set in the 80s, 90s. So there'll be a lot of rooted sounds that you hear, and there'll be a lot of research going on. And I'm very sure that I'll not let you down with the roots of your land. I'll definitely do justice to it, and we have a great team, and it'll go through a lot of layers of critique. And I want to present your music in the way that you would want to hear it with my compositions on it. That's the idea. Hopefully you'll deliver.
ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಅವರೇ, ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ದಿನಗಳ ಥರ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ 2 ಹಾಡು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಪಾಪ.
ಆ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಹಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇಳೆಯರಾಜ ಅವರು 2 ಹಾಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸತಿ ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಹಾಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ